T1. So you put everything here. It will be and then if you calculate, it's going to be 2.3 T1 equal to 6 times 9.8. And then you got T1 equal to 51.13. It should be some number close to this. But in the options, there's nothing close.
How you get square root of 3 over 6?
No, that's just calculation things. So if you T2 equal to T1, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then here is 1/2 of this. 1/2. It's going to be 6.
Okay.
Right? So if you use a calculator, it's going to be easier. So, but in the end, the most important thing is you got here the relationship between T1 and T2, and then you got here another relationship between T1 and T2. And then you can solve. If they ask you T2, you can solve T2. If they ask you T1, you can solve T1.
Okay.
And the rest of things is just calculation.
Mm-hmm.
So that's this question. We can put summarization here. The first type of question is you have two strings, and then itself has a mass. You have T1 and T2. It's actually is T1 plus T2 is equal to is let's say the force because of the gravity. Okay, so the thing is you separate those two x and y and solve the problem along x and along y. So that's the first type of question. Number 1 and number 2, they are the same. Okay, let's go to number 3. The second type of question, that's the first type. The second type of question works fractionless surface. Okay, those questions, all the surfaces are fractionless. And in number 3, a force 20 Newton. And the mass is 5 kilograms. The question is asking you the magnitude of resulting acceleration. How you solve those kind of questions? Because it's gonna move this
Along
way.
the x-axis.
On the y, this one also gave a force. the mass itself and gravity,
Mm-hmm.
but there's a support.
The
force.
normal force.
Yes. So that will cancel out.
Right.
And it's fractionless. You don't even need to consider the y
Okay.
axis because there is no fraction. And then on the axis is, oh, I didn't do it because I don't recognize what's the angle here. It's 30? That's the one you do to me. If you like 30, maybe it's 30.
You didn't get the answer?
No, I don't know what's the angle is. We can put like say 30.
Okay.
Okay. But if it's some other angle, it's the same thing.
Yeah, just give me the concept.
Say 30 degree.
Okay.
It's gonna be f. Here is cosine. Okay. And the acceleration, it will equal to mass times acceleration, right? That's f equal to ma. And then we can solve this. Let's see if the answer is correct. It will be 30 degrees. Cosine 30. The mass is 5. 10, 2 is like around 1.7, so it's 3.4. Could be E, that's the most close one.
What the answer is?
I don't know.
It's C.
C. So
But the concept
maybe
is
it's
correct.
not 30.
Yeah, but the concept is right.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Actually.
we looking for the acceleration, and
Yeah.
acceleration is the force. Is force. Is force divided by the mass.
Yeah. Force equal to ma. That's in the formula.
And acceleration would be the force divided by the mass.
Yeah. You're right. So let's go to the next question.
Okay. And we're just doing the force along the x-axis,
Yes.
Because
Along
it's
the moving
whichever way
direction.
it's going. Okay.
Yes. And number 4. That's a similar question, and it's even more complicated because it involves an x and y axis. If the only form